Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of activating your FlexOffers earnings account. By following these simple instructions, you'll be on your way to maximizing your revenue potential with FlexOffers. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the FlexOffers website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official FlexOffers website at www.flexoffers.com. This is where you'll begin the activation process for your earnings account. Step 2. Click on the Login button. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Step 3. Enter your credentials. On the login page, you'll need to enter your registered email address and password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Step 4. Access the dashboard. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. This will take you to your dashboard. Here, you'll find various tools and resources to help you manage your affiliate marketing efforts. Step 5. Navigate to the Earnings section. In your dashboard, look for the menu that lists options like Reports, Settings, and Earnings. Click on the Earnings section to access your revenue details. Step 6. Activate your earnings account. In the earnings section, you may find an option to activate or verify your earnings account. Follow the prompts to complete this step. Make sure all required information is accurate to avoid any delays. Step 7. Review and confirm. After filling out the necessary information, review everything carefully. Once you are satisfied that all details are correct, confirm your activation. Step 8. Check for confirmation. You should receive an email confirmation once your earnings account is activated. Keep an eye on your inbox, and if you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 9. Start earning. With your account successfully activated, you can begin utilizing FlexOffers to start generating revenue through affiliate marketing. Explore the available offers and start promoting them to boost your earnings. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and insights. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and happy marketing.